Whilst we get ready to pack up, I thought I'd do a quick video just to show where the light switches are and how to operate them in a California ocean for those who are new and just getting in the vans. So you can go, always make sure you're in, I'm straight here actually, so go to camping, always make sure you're in active camping mode. We always turn these lights, these ticks off. This means that when you get into the van at night time, get out of the van, the lights won't come on, so you can get in the dark without obviously setting everything off like a beacon. And then you've got your light switches here. You can operate your light switches, switch them all on here, or have them on ready, and then you can go to your switches, click once, and then to brighten, keep your finger on the button. The brighter it gets, it's quite dim, and then keeping your finger on the button brightens even more. So that is super quick video, but again, we've been asked a couple of times and we didn't even know this until one of our subscribers showed us, but just keeping your finger on the button to get some full light. And obviously you can see up here, you've got light switches at the top here, and if I go to here again and look for the lighting area at the top, you can see the light's gone on, light's gone off. There you go. And if you want to be up top to switch your light off and on, you got a button here and a button here, and that switches all the lights on, 2 at the front, 1 at the back. But you don't need lights because you've got a view like that today. So that was a quick video on whilst on the campsite, switching the lights on. So it's important not to tick the box on the camping mode. Always be active camping mode when you come. And we always have our free ticks off. Thank you very much for watching.